We're going to share one Porsche Cayenne 3.0T engine with a fault in the engine control unit. It seems to be a throttle failure. When you push till the end of the accelerator pedal, RPM don't go up at all. Let's just open up the ECU and take a look. There's two TL7209 throttle drivers over here. Just swap the drivers and we can fix it. Now let's remove them. And replace each with a good one. Install the engine control unit to the vehicle. Start the vehicle now. Okay, it starts. Then check the fault code. Okay, no fault. The accelerator has no problem too. All is okay now. Repaired successfully.